you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey to build JustEat application. So in this lesson, we're going to do the control panel, which allow the user or the staff or whatever to add some restaurant, product, whatever. Okay, so I have found nice template in here. Okay, so this is the template we're going to use. If I open it in here, so we can find something like this. Very nice template, and the link will be in the description. So let's go ahead and convert this to Laravel. And if you want to use another template, that's completely fine. The concept will be the same. So yes, so let's go ahead and start and see what we can do. I will go to the views folder as a first step, and I will make an admin. Okay, and I will make maybe. Okay, I will grab this in here. Or let's make the layout first. Okay, so the layout will be maybe admin. Okay, and like this, add to get. And okay, so we have this template in here. So let's clear all this stuff. Okay, and let's clear this as well. Okay, so some very quickly cleaning here. Okay, so and I will go to the template in here. Okay, and okay, before let's open it in the PHP Storm. Okay, let's grab it in here, which is this one. Okay, and let's see what we have to do. I will copy and paste this in the header. Okay, and what we have to do else is we have wrapper, we have let's grab this. Okay, so we have a lot of JavaScript in here. So what about the JavaScript? What should we do with the JavaScript? We can include them in the footer. Okay, but let's grab this bad boy first. Go to the admin and grab it in here. Okay, so we have this in here now. Okay, so let's do the JavaScript. So let's grab this. Okay, and let's go to the admin and let's define a new section in here. Okay, and maybe yield, I believe. I can forget this one, I have no idea why. So scripts. Okay, and yeah, so that's it in here. So this will yield the script in here. Okay, and if there is any script from the child, if there is any from the child. Okay, and I will put the JavaScript in here because I need them for all the application. Okay, so we have this in here. So let's see what we can do in here as well. Sidebar main, yeah, definitely we'll change this one. Okay, so let's go to the sidebar. Okay, yeah, yep. So this one will be a dynamic, so I will make this like content. Okay, content. Okay, and this, don't forget the yield. Okay, so this will be the dynamic part. Okay, after we can simply do our review in here. So what should I call this? Restaurant, or should we do it in the, okay, let's call this, so admin, let's call this dashboard. Okay, .blade.php, add to get, and I will paste the main in here. Okay, so this will be replaced with this one in here, which is cool. And I don't have any script. All the script is defined here. If I want to do any script, you know the idea. So, but this shouldn't be in here. Okay, cool. So we have this. So until this stage, let's make a route and let's test this. So let's close this. Hope this makes sense, guys. We have done this slowly before with the other template, with the front end template. Okay, so in here I will do something very, very similar to this. Okay, what I want to do is to define a new group. Okay, so I will copy and I will come here and maybe admin. Okay, I paste, and what should we do in here is the following. So we have the middleware, mini middleware here. Web, yeah, I need both, but I need to do prefix. So anyone in the URL type contain admin, I need to prefix it. Okay, so and this will be in here, so maybe we have one mistake. Okay, all right, cool. Yes, so prefix admin. Okay, anyone in the URL type like this admin, I need to catch it in here. Okay, so how we can do this? The first route. Okay, let's do the first route. Okay, which is the index page. Okay, and what we have to do, so as usual we have the control and we have the name. So let's, okay, so admin, I will call this, so we don't have the controller. Okay, so let's create it, admin dashboard controller, and I will paste it. I forget the make controller, sorry. So come back here and make controller, which is good. And in here, so after this will be created. So what we have an error. Oh, sorry. Let's command this. Okay, and it should be created now. Okay, cool. So create successfully. So we have the controller now. Okay, so I will come back here and I will make it like this. Okay, close this message. Okay, cool. So now where is the action I want to go? Index, maybe. Yep. And what is the route name? So let's call the route maybe name. I will call admin.dashboard maybe, or whatever. Okay, okay, and let's import this bad boy in here. So yes, we have this now, and public, okay, function index, and this die and dump here. Hey, admin, which is great. So we have our route in here. So let's give it a try. So Mr. in here, I will go to the admin. Sorry, admin. Okay. Yeah, cool. Hey, I'm at the admin. Okay, so he hit the route. Okay, now, okay, we have our view. We have done it in here. So let's go and retain a view. Retain view, which will be admin dashboard. And let's see what we get. Hopefully, we get something in here. Cool. So we have something at least. Let's make the styling. As you can know, the template in here have assist. So let's copy and paste this where in the public in here. Okay. Paste here. Okay. Okay. So we have this in here, and do we have in? So let's be okay. So. And let's see what the dashboard or the admin in here. So yes, assist, we need to do something like this in here. So we need to ask him for the root. Okay, go to the root and check for all of these, grab them. Okay, maybe we need to do it in the JavaScript as well. Yep. Okay, so this basically will go to in here and public assist. Okay, as we can see, and inside this will be the vendor, blah. So let's see what we have. So we have the images, and but we don't have the style. So do we have our style in here? Okay, so assist images. So let's check what is the error. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, so in the dashboard, the child layout, we have to extend the layout. Okay, so extend, and what the extend will be. So what we need to layouts. Okay, admin, we have the admin, which is this one. Okay, the last one, we need, as we can see, the content in here. Okay, yes, we need to replace it with the content in here. So how we can do this? As we know, as we learned before, section, and we know we need to do something like this, and I believe that we need to end section as well. Okay, Okay, cool. So I believe that's it in here. So let's check if we get it right. Okay, layout, unexpected layouts. Okay, so do we have an error here? Layout. Okay, so we have the layout, we have the admin. Okay, so and we have the content. Okay, so let's see. Go back. Yeah, so I forget this one in here. Okay, and this should be it. Yeah, cool. So we have our template running now, and very cool, very cool. So this as a Laravel. Okay, so let's do what we have to do. So let's do some cleaning in the left side. Okay, so let's do some cleaning in here. So I don't need all of these. I don't need all of these. Or might we need one in here? And I will call this restaurants. Okay, restaurants in. Okay, restaurants. Okay, and in here I will make view list maybe or whatever. So and in here what should we do? So let's keep it like this. Okay, and so let's see what okay, cool. So we have the recent view list, blah blah blah. I want to change the logo, so I have the logo on the other screen. I will paste it in here and I will copy this. And where is the logo? Yep, this one I believe, hopefully. And let's come back in here, and we don't have our logo, which is great. Okay, just make this like this in here, and inside the images, not this. All right, and we don't have our logo. So let's go back, images assist. Okay, and this one should be like this. Okay, where is it? Okay, delete the assist in here, and we have our blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Now so let's see, we missed some diagram here. We will fix this in the moment, but let's okay, so we have our restaurant in here, the menu on the left side. I want to do to migration so we can include the rules, or should we do it in the end? So let's create to migration very quickly. First of one is the permission. Okay, PHP artisan make migration, and I will call this create permissions table. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so okay, cool, create migration, and let's create the other migration, which is users permissions. Okay, and this will create like this, and see what we have to do. And in the first migration we go to in here, and this one I will just make one new field, which is contain the rule name. Let's call it name. Okay, and yes, in here that's completely fine. So let's, if we have get the other one, let's reload so we can get this one very quickly. Okay, so we have the first migration, we have done it successfully. Let's define the other migration, which will be very easy. Okay, so table. Okay, and foreign ID, and this will be the user. Okay, what's this, man? Okay, so this is the user. Okay, and the other one will be the permission ID, isn't it? Okay, so permission ID, and let's make this index in here, and this index, feel free to do it like this. Oh, I believe this take array. Okay, or array columns. Yeah, take array, or you do it like this. Okay, so both are working just fine. Okay, let's migrate. Okay, foreign ID, and we have the permission ID. Okay, cool. So we have this. So let's create seeders now. PHP artisan make seeders. I will call this permission seeder. Okay, this is the first one we need to create. Okay, permission seeders. So we have this in here. Let's check our DB first of all, guys. So let's go to the in here, and yep, we have permission, but it's empty. So let's create the seeders. So let's go to the seeders in here, permission seeder. We have learned this more than one time. We just we have to create a model here. Okay, artisan make model, and this will be permission. Okay, and I believe in here. So after we create this, we might need to create another one in Indigo. So user permission. So we have two model for each table. Okay, and okay, cool. So in here in the permission, we just need to insert some data. So I have them. Okay, so just insert some data: restaurant, product, and dashboard. So this like a rules. Okay, after we have done this, okay, similarly, this just insert these inside the tables. In here, hopefully, let's reload. Okay, permission user permission seeder doesn't. Do we have yes, user oh, sorry, seeders, we create the model, not the, so this will be user permission seeder. Okay, and let's see what we got in here. So let's reload. Okay, and let's see, and just paste this. Okay, we have learned this before. This will create some inside the tables. So we have the user ID, which is me, and you will control all of this from the control panel. This like initialize data, just we check if we get it right. So we have this and this. So let's go in here and include both of them very quickly. Permission seeders, I believe seeders, isn't it? Okay, and user permission seeders. Okay, and let's import permission, not permission. Okay, seed. Okay, cool. So let's seed our database, php artisan db seed, I believe, isn't it? Okay, and we should get some data in here. I make mistakes, so I feed all the, okay, very good. It's very nice. It give us an error. Okay, so let's give it just the class name, which is permission seeders, I believe. Okay, and okay, and user permission seeder as well. Okay, and I believe we should see some data in here. Cool. So we have the roles in here and user permission as well. Okay, where is it? Blah blah blah. Yep. Okay, this doesn't have any data, which is strange. Using php users dp seed user permission seeder. Yep, we have it in here. So why he doesn't? So user permission seeder. Okay, let's run it again. So this will run this one, which is basically, okay, what the error? You can, okay, I believe we have a very simple error. Okay, so okay, I need to override the convention for the Laravel. Maybe we make mistake in the but it's very good to learn this. Okay, so the table for this is table is this is the one. Okay, user permission, which is this one. Okay, and I believe this would be it. So this will be run successfully, and it doesn't exist. User permission seeders. Okay, let's make space in here. Okay, cool. So we have it. We have our permission here. So user 1, user 2, blah blah blah. So let's go ahead and make a new middleware. Okay, so I will make in here as make middleware, and let's give it role middleware. Okay, I will call it role. Okay, I should like make it role permission. Okay, so this will be the middleware. Okay, so let's try. Okay, cool. So we have our middleware. If I go in the folder in here, I should see it, isn't it? Yep, this one. Okay, I will register this middleware very quickly in the kernel. Okay, and the kernel in here, where is it, the kernel? So let's close this, close, close. In here in the app folder, console, maybe kernel. Nope, not this one. Where is it? Yep, this one. So we go to the routes here and we register the new, give it a name. So it would be so our middleware, it's, I believe, in the app, isn't it? HTTP. Yep, will be reside with this. So let's grab this and rule permission, and I want to give it a name as a rule. Okay, so yes guys, so that's it. So we have registered our middleware. So in the next lesson we're going to do some little bit logic here, and as well protect our route, so no one will access this admin unless he has the correct permission. So we'll handle this in the next lesson. Please subscribe and like, and in the next video we will learn how to add more and more in this control panel. Until then, see you soon. Bye.